All right, guys. Hi, this is Mr. G. I'm going to go ahead and continue with example number one. If you didn't get the beginning of an example number one, then you can go ahead and watch the other video before this one. Okay? So we're ending example number one here. So we're going to fill out this graphic right here. Okay, this thing that looks like an eyeball. All right. And this is actually how real numbers are categorized. Okay. Um, so we're going to continue from here. All right. So in the beginning, when you started counting, okay, these type of numbers, when you started counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, those are called natural numbers. Natural. So you're going to go ahead and put natural numbers in here. Natural. Okay. And these numbers, they didn't start off at 0. They started off actually at 1. This is how they start. They have you. This is how you begin to count, right? When you're little, if you ask a little 3, 4 year old start counting, they're gonna go start counting 1, 2, right? They're not gonna start at 0. So if they start off at 1, these are called natural numbers. Okay, so they start off at 1 and then they continue. 3, 5. They keep going. Okay. All right. The next set of numbers are called whole numbers. Now, whole numbers, it does include the number 0. So on here, it does include the number 0, and then it continues 1, 2, all the way to a million. And remember, they are whole numbers. So you're going to put it right here. Whole numbers. Okay? This, you probably learned this, first, second grade. Okay? Then after that, let's go ahead and fast forward to last year, 7th grade, when you had nightmares of positive and negative numbers. Remember that? It's just nightmares, right? Right. Well, they're coming back. They're coming back this grade, so you're gonna see more of them. All right. And these were the integers, right? And if you remember what they were, we had -1, -2. They had the number 2, +2. They included 0, 3, 10, right? These are the integers. So we have natural numbers. Okay, we start off at 1. Okay, whole numbers, which start off at 0. And then you have integers who they go from negative to positive. -100, -1,000, 1 million. They're integers, right? You dealt with that last year. And then after that, we have the rational numbers. Rational numbers. The cool thing about rational numbers, guys, is it includes everything in here. But it also includes fractions. So you have all these 0, 1, 2, negative, a million, to a million. It has all that. But you also include fractions. And because you include fractions, you can also include decimals. So 0.75, maybe your GPA, 4.12. That could be somebody's GPA, right? So rational numbers includes all this. And remember, it could be negative or it could be positive. All right. So make sure you guys copy this down on your paper, please. And if you're not understanding something, just go ahead and rewind it and then you'll be able to do it. Okay. So what I want you to do now is on the side over here is I want you to give me an example of a rational number. All right. I gave you 1, 2, 3. Give me an example of a rational number. We can put 1.1, -2.2. Okay, a fraction, -1/2. Right? So just put 2 more right here for you guys. Put 2 more. Right? And just think about it. Okay? All right? We'll go on to example number 2 on the next video.